how to assign speed dial numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on speed dial numbers. So after click on speed dial numbers, so enter your number and you will see number keys is here. So go back and click on 4, you will see number is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can assign speed dial number on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.